presentation. So presentation is a way of communicating information, ideas, or messages to an audience through combination of verbal and non-verbal communication. It acts also visual aids, and it is a form of communication that aims to inform, persuade, or entertain the audience. Just like what we are doing today, we are presenting our report, but for today's video, we don't have too much audience. So we have also use the visual aid as we use the projector or this presentation or this visual aid to communicate and to inform the audience. So the aim of this presentation is to give information and persuade the audience so that they will learn something about our presentation. Next is the presentation typically includes a speaker. The speakers are the person delivering the presentation. Just like me, I am the speakers. And as a speakers, we should, as a speaker, we are the one who will give the information, and the speaker should be well informed about his or her presentation so that the information that the speaker wants to give to the audience is clear and they will be satisfied. Second is the message. The information, idea, or message being communicated. As a presenter and using this visual aid, according to what we researched, that if every presenter put a message on the visual aid, it should be short and more on understandable. Number 3 is visual aid. Visual aid is the tool such as this kind of these slides, video, images, and props used to support the message. This slides is the example already of visual aid. And delivery, the way the speaker presents the message, including tone, face, and body language. As a speaker, you should be confident enough to stand in the front and speak not just loudly and not just fluently, but also understandable for the audience.
Next is types of presentation. Number 1, informative. Informative, if an informative presentation, brief and to the point, stick to the facts and avoid complicated information. Informative presentation is designed to deliver facts clearly and concisely. The goal of this informative is to educate the audience with unnecessary details and complex language. These presentations are typically brief and focused only on essential information. For example, a student giving presentation about climate change, which is he or she will explain what it is, its causes, and its effects using simple statistics and visual. Next is instructional. Your purpose in an instructional presentation is to give the specific directions or orders. Your presentation will probably be a bit longer because it has to cover your topic thoroughly. Instructional presentation is meant to teach the audience how to do something. It involves giving clear step-by-step direction or procedures. These presentations are usually more detailed and take longer because they must thoroughly explain the process being taught. For example, in a cooking class, the instructor must demonstrate the process of a specific dish, explaining its process from ingredient preparation to final preparation. So the difference between informative and instructional is that informative focus on what something is, and while instructional just focus on how to do something. That's all.
Okay, the next topic is arousing. Your purpose in arousing presentation is to make people think about a certain problem or situation. Arousing is inspiring speech or motivating the crowd to take an action. In essence, arousing describes something that something that spark strong response or emotional connection.
My topic is decision making. Your purpose in decision making presentation is to move your audience to take your suggested action. A decision making presentation presents ideas, suggestions, and arguments strongly enough to persuade audience to carry out your request. Decision making is the process of selecting the best course of action from several alternatives to achieve a desired result. It involves identifying a problem or opportunity, gathering information, evaluating options, and choosing the most suitable one based on goals, preferences, and available resources. Key steps in decision making. Number 1, identify the decision. Recognize that a decision is needed. Number 2, gather information. Collect relevant data and insights. 3, identify alternatives. List possible option or solution. Number 4, weigh the evidence. Evaluate the pros and cons of each option. Number 5, choose among alternatives. Select the option that best meets objective. Types of decision making: strategic, long-term, big picture decision; tactical, medium-term, focus on how to implement a strategy; operational, day-to-day decision. And that's all. Thank you.
The next topic is persuasive. Your purpose in persuasive presentation is to convince your listener to accept your proposal. The goal is to persuade the audience by presenting compiling argument, making them more likely to agree the speaker's perspective.
Presentations can be formal or informal and can be delivered in various settings such as business meetings, conferences, and classrooms. So business meeting is a gathering of 2 or more people to discuss, decide, and collaborate on a business related topics. And business meetings is formal or informal, physical or virtual, and are essential for effective communication and problem solving in a business settings. So, conferences is a formal gathering of people. It's a formal gathering of people to discuss, share knowledge and network, and can be industries and professions. So, conferences can be in person, virtual, or hybrid events. The classroom is a learning environment where the student typically is an educational institution where gathered to receive a guidance, instructions, and supervise from the teachers or instructors. So, classrooms can be in person, virtual, and space designed to to deliver a learning, teaching, and social interaction. So this is the three presentation can be formal or informal.
Seminars. Seminars is a meeting or presentation where information is shared, discussed, and explored on a specific topic or subject. Effective presentations require carefully planning, preparation, and delivery to engage and communicate effectively with the audience.
Dapat i-make